Okay, Ohana breakfast bread. Like always, we're going to use our online recipe to see where that takes us. So first we will need to bust open a coconut. I recommend a tactile knife, then separating the nut from the core. Shave the bark with a potato peeler before grating, chopping finely and adding to a cheesecloth and twisting the life out of our little cocoa. Next, we will slice open a pineapple, adding to our food processor, pouring into cheesecloth and squeezing out the juice. Add pineapple and coconut to a bowl, give your blessing of holy matrimony before adding to 1 cup of sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Cover and send them on their honeymoon to the fridge for 2 hours. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dry active yeast to 95 to 100 degree water before adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, sifting 4.5 cups of bread flour into stand mixer before adding 1/3 cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, yeast mixture, and 1 egg yolk. Allow dough hook to spin for 5 to 8 minutes, then place in greased bowl and allow to proof for 1 hour before removing, rolling into rectangles, spreading coconut and pineapple mix and folding 4 times like so. Then placing in a 9 by 13 inch pan, covering and allowing to rise for a half hour, placing in a 325 degree oven for 20 minutes, then removing, adding remainder of pineapple coconut mix to the top and placing back in the oven for 10 minutes and switching to broiler for an extra 10 minutes. And there it is. And you know what? I'm not even unsatisfied with this. It turned out great. I just think I can do better. To create better, add 4 cups of all-purpose flour to a stand mixer with a half cup granulated sugar before adding a touch of cinnamon. Mix and incorporate, then adding 3 teaspoons of dry active yeast to 3/4 cup of 95 degree water, adding flour mix as it needs, then adding 10 tablespoons of butter and 3 eggs. Flour a work surface before kneading dough, creating a ball, slapping in a greased bowl and allowing to proof in the fridge for 10 to 12 hours. Then removing and adding to a work surface, rolling out into a rectangular shape, adding the same mixture as the beginning with squeezed 4 ounces of coconut, 6 ounces of pineapple ratio, sugar, cornstarch, mud. Spread as evenly as possible before adding 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar and rolling. Split in half and save for another loaf. Slice roll down the middle, then braid, placing in an oiled bread pan, covering and proofing for 2 hours. Then we're going to add to a 375 degree oven for 23 to 28 minutes, and boom, my version of the Ohana breakfast bread. And there you have it, guys. This will turn out almost like a cinnamon roll, just with coconut and pineapple filling. Perfect for our next episode, the Ohana bread pudding. Like, subscribe, share, and until next time, cheers. Oh, no.
It just fell out. Is there a way to smush it back together and stick it back in the pan?
That's 14.5 hours right there. Is it okay if I get mad now?